working with AutoCAD drawings and have ACH color hatch pattern files. This format defines colored hatch patterns used in technical drawings. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these AutoCAD color hatch pattern files. My professional advice: when standard programs fail on a tricky ACH file, you need a secret weapon, a piece of magical software. We'll cover that after we try 3 main fixes. An ACH file contains custom color and hatch pattern definitions for use in Autodesk AutoCAD. Architects, engineers, and designers use these files to apply specific, often standardized textures or fills to their 2D drawings, representing materials like brick, concrete, or wood in a visually consistent manner across projects. The ACH file is a plain text file containing a series of definitions written in a specific, line-based syntax. Each pattern is defined by its name, a description, and a set of numerical parameters that describe the angle, spacing, and dash dot sequence of the lines, making it human-readable and easily shareable. The native handler for ACH files is usually Autodesk AutoCAD from Autodesk Inc. Windows only supports view-only mode, necessitating dedicated editing software for changes. Windows can preview some formats, but full editing requires specialized design software. We need to force an application assignment. Right-click your ACH file and select Open With. If Autodesk AutoCAD is installed, test it. If it's unavailable, select another program. Testing is the most direct path to the fix. If the ACH file still will not open, there is no need to stress. It's just a no-go for the main program. To narrow down the issue with the ACH format, start these 3 essential checks right now. First, loading in AutoCAD. Place ACH files in the AutoCAD support file search path, typically in the user support folder. Use the hatch command in AutoCAD, and the patterns become available in the hatch pattern selection dialog. Select the desired pattern, then specify regions to fill with the colored hatching. Next, creating custom patterns. Edit ACH files in a text editor like Notepad to customize hatch patterns. The format follows readable syntax with comments and pattern definitions. Save modified files in the support path, then reload AutoCAD to access updated pattern libraries. Test patterns on sample drawings to verify proper appearance. Finally, sharing with team members. Distribute ACH files to team members for consistent drawing standards across an organization. Place patterns on network drives or in shared CAD support folders. This ensures all engineers and designers use approved hatch patterns, producing visually consistent drawings throughout project documentation sets. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.